How to switch back to old icons on iOS 26. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to switch back to old icon, then on your home screen, tap hold on it and until the app starts to jiggle, and further tap on the edit option on the top left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the customize option you see there. Here, if you have selected tinted, then you will see the glass liquid icons. So in order to go back to default, tap on the default option you see there, and as you can see, the icons are back to its default color. You can also tap on the sun icon if you want to increase or decrease the brightness of the app on your home screen, or you can also tap on the square icons to largen the app. So this was about how you can switch back to old icons on iOS 26. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.